This is where people would normally stand to have a beer, so there's the bar right there. So you try to laugh, because if you don't laugh you cry, and there's been plenty of crying, but we don't know what we don't know where we go from here. Yeah.
The recovery from this event is going to require literally billions of dollars from both federal and state and local governments, as well as from insurance companies.
The worst case scenario is that 80% of the town will be inundated with water. That means a large number of people will be seeking evacuation.